Hi everyone, it's Erlene of Erlene Garcia Art and the Hollywood Carney channel. This is me celebrating. Guess what? I just got my own shop. I'm so happy to share with you guys the befores and afters. So this is it. This is before. I had been looking for a store for over 2 years. I am so happy to announce that the store is located in the Pasadena Antique Center area. I put Peter in the picture so you could see the size of the store and basically look at the hideous color of these walls. It had been painted numerous times. It has that ugly, dilapidated carpet. Peter and I ripped it out, and then I had a guy come in and dispose of it correctly. Oh my God, so basically that hideous carpet is out, and I swept everything, and oh my gosh. And these boxes here, that's only a 1/10 of what's coming into the store. So I have paint, I have to take up all of these wood things at the edge here. I'm a hot mess and I'm about to lose a light. Today's Sunday, so I have to wait until tomorrow to get the power on. Okay, bye. Okay, have my paint hat on this time. I had so much paint in my hair, it wasn't even funny. So today, hat, waiting for the cable guy and the water and power. We're getting there. So yesterday I painted, still have to do the crown molding of course, but oh my gosh, that color looks so much better. And I have to pick up all of these little edge pieces that the carpet was attached to. My new showcases came in, so excited. Okay, still need to do the crown molding. Painted all of that area, the back part where that's gonna hold my art supplies back there where the floor's black. Painted that wall up to there. I bought this mirror for $4 at a garage sale and painted it for the bathroom because the bathroom was ugly green. It will continue on. So, I'm tired again. I had to do a special order for someone, and he's a good customer, so that came first. And then I finished this today. So I was only in here for about maybe 6 or 7 hours, but now I need to go home and rest and eat and go to Home Depot tomorrow. So, okay, that's it. Thanks for checking in. Bye. Still working on the break room area. Just got that black shelf where the books are to put my paper on. I also brought in my personal books to use as reference. I still have a lot more to bring in. As you know, books weigh a ton, but I have a lot of cool books. And in the future, I will be filming from the store, so I can be doing a little bit of book reviews on my personal books and new books I'll be getting in. So we brought the mannequin over, and all of my merchandise that I've been buying for the past couple of years. And as you can see, it's quite a bit. And you're wondering what I'm going to do with these springs. Well, these are vintage. Obviously, my parents brought it from me from Oklahoma. And that's what I really wanted, because I'm going to, after we take out the ugly tiles up there, we're going to hang it from the ceiling, and fairies will be hanging from it. But these boxes, there's tons of boxes all the way back, filled with stones and beads and all kinds of fun things. So today I am going to be painting this side of the room and finishing up the wall. Okay, that's it. Yep, that's what you think it is. Oh my God, this mess. So much to unpack. The reason I painted half of the store and half of the floor is because I was so limited on time and who I had to help me, because the majority of everything I did it all by myself. I tried to stay under budget, so I went to the thrift shop and I found this beautiful table, brand new with the tags on it, for $75. I took this picture at the thrift shop and said, I think I could use that. Oh, I forgot to say that I did purchase this rattan dresser. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to refurbish it, and this will be my cash wrap, and I will be having like all of my bags and boxes in there, any type of packing items. So it's pretty cool. It was originally $150 and I got it for half price, and then I had the guys deliver it, so that was an extra $40. But to me, that's a great investment. Okay, bye. Sorry for the shaky camera, but I unpacked a box and look what was in it. So cool. My son stopped by and took a quick pic of me, and yep, that's what I look like when I'm working hard. So at this point, I probably have unpacked about 40 boxes. Some of the boxes were really small that were not filmed, but they were holding charms and beads. Now the stones weigh a ton. I built 4 tables, emptied the boxes of stones just so I could see what I had and put everything in order. I had previously inventoried and priced everything, and then realized that, fast forward to the future, that I had to do my inventory all over again, which was not too much fun, but that's okay. So I found this little 3-layer container stand at the Salvation Army. It was only like $2 and it holds the sage perfectly. This will be the selfie area. I put part of my personal collection in showcases to share with the public. I need to buy him some velvet ropes. So this area, I staged it temporarily to see how I would like it with the mannequins and the jewelry displays. I just wanted it to kind of flow. I also have quite a few mirrors that I am going to be hanging up, and some of them are vintage, and some of you, if you've listened to my videos before, you know that I love to collect vintage mirrors. I just think it makes a space look more open and brighter. Also, I didn't realize, well, I kind of did, but kind of didn't, how much work it takes to build a store by yourself. That just kills your back, makes you tired. I think I ended up losing about 12 pounds, which I'm totally happy about. And when you do it yourself, you appreciate it so much more. I accidentally kicked something under the table when I was filming. 1 showcase up, 3 more to go. I temporarily put those items in there so they could live there for a little bit. No pun intended, because they are skulls and I still respect them dearly. Oh, there's Peter walking by. He's my boyfriend. My sister and my brother-in-law came up and helped me out so much. 2 weekends in a row. He's very creative and super handy, hanging all of the shelves for me and making sure that the cases were built correctly and anchored to the wall so they wouldn't fall on anyone. Here is another recycled, reclaimed shelf that was in great condition that I found at the Salvation Army. So it will live here permanently in the corner. Phil, my brother-in-law, put up these 3 shelves and I staged the items there. I had temporarily put those tables against the wall. I didn't care for the way it was, so then I changed it around again, and I'm sure I will change it many more times until I get it just right. But I do like moving things around so it will be fresh to the eye. And those are some other fun pieces there. I decided not to paint the cash wrap, so I'm just gonna leave it in the natural color that it is. That was the springs hanging up over the counter again. And I did end up buying ivy to go around the edges of it. And my sister put the little twinkle lights in there for me. So far, it's all coming along. And I temporarily used those little muffin pans for to house the charms. And I eventually found some really cool boxes. But the muffin tins did work, and that was a great idea from my friend. I did put together a little smudge kit for travel, and just a lot of cool little kits I have going on in the store. And also everything that I am selling that is natural or a crystal, I wrote from my eyes the perspective of how to use these special items, and just, you know, a little guide. I think it's really important to have that type of information, and people like it when they buy something special and there's a story that goes with it, or if they're giving it as a gift, you get the information with it. So this area here is my little native area where you can make your own chokers and all the supplies that you need. We have greeting cards. I have 2 artists that designed them. I have artwork by Janine Smart up on the wall. I have all of the natural elements there. This is the area where you can touch my hand for good luck in the selfie area. And I did end up buying Chief Buffalo a red rope. That is one of my personal top hats. My mother made the pouch on his waist. My sister made the medicine bag. My vintage moccasins. That piece up there is for a cradle board. This was my late aunt's headdress. And then I just picked up that one piece, the doorknob in Oklahoma, where I grew up. There is the beaded jewelry that I make. I have other videos where you can learn how to make the authentic jewelry. Very easy to follow along. I did put the tables in the middle of the floor instead of against the wall. I thought it was just, it flowed a little bit easier. It was more welcoming. People can walk around the entire table. I ended up finding some really cool clear trays for the charms instead of the little muffin pans. Here are some other fun pieces that I have. Everything that is in the store, I handpicked myself. And as you can see, I have lots of little pieces. I also have very nice amethyst and banded amethyst. I have citrine. I have skulls, rose quartz, just beautiful one-of-a-kind pieces. Those are hair sticks that I put inside of vintage bottles. A very large variety of bracelets with sterling silver, handmade tassels, beautiful beads, malas, and a variety of jean wear. I have some cowboy boots, some handbags that I designed with vintage embroidered fabric. I also carry a variety of tarot cards, books, runes, tarot bags, divination dice, lots and lots of fun items. So let's take one more look around the store. All of the boxes are gone. It's a beautiful day outside for people to come in and just look at some of these exciting pieces. Every day I am bringing something new in the store, and I am still working really hard to get it fully set up. And when I do, I will let everyone know when I have my grand opening. I really just can't wait. Right now it's just open to the public. I haven't really advertised, but I am open for your metaphysical needs. I'm also happy to say that I have walking sticks that are handmade by a Navajo artist from Oklahoma, and it does come with a certificate of authenticity. Look at all of those charms. They are all specialty charms for your magical needs. I will be having an upcoming video on the magical essence behind the reason I chose these specific charms, and also the meanings of the stones. I will be explaining to you every single detail. My father made the crosses out of recycled barnwood from Oklahoma, and I decorated the crosses. I do have some that are plain, but I'm very limited on them. I have a variety of vintage and new Buddhas, incense, and here is a beautiful vintage Native American inspired mannequin from Knott's Berry Farm. He is featured with a full-size headdress, and he is for sale. His eyes look real. Some of the recordings were done in the store, so if you hear background noise, that's what it is. My sister and I giggling. These are my vintage mannequin heads that they're modeling, the cowboy hats that are for sale. There's one of my medicine bags that I made. I do have some more that I've made that will be featured soon in the shop. And I just wanted to kind of like give you guys an idea of the variety of items that I have in-house, in store. Like I said, new things every day, and I am so honored to finally have opened a store. It is really a dream come true, and it's so exciting that I'm living my dream and that I get to share the passion of being an artist, having my art up with the public, with you, and sharing the stories behind the stones and sharing the art of fellow local artists. And I invite you as an artist to come in my new store, and we could possibly feature your art. And if you are designing Native American art, please make sure that you have your tribal affiliation card. And if you are a non-native, I still really want to see your cool works of art, because we are a community that needs to share original and one-of-a-kind pieces of art in Pasadena, California. And if you're not an artist, I would love for you still to come in and take a look around, because there's something here for everyone. I really appreciate that you took the time to watch this video and enjoy this exciting news. It really means a lot to me, and I know that some of you have been with me since the beginning, and I really appreciate you as a watcher, and maybe you can come in the store and we can meet in person. So, as always, thank you and have a happy day. Bye. Oh, P.S. It's 458 South Fair Oaks Avenue, Pasadena, California, 91105. I look forward to seeing you. Well, I guess it would help if I gave you the name of the store. It is Chasing Rainbows, and that is my Native American name. Okay, see you soon. Bye.